Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today's video I'll be showing you how I curl my hair with I don't know what inch wand because I'm not good with my inches or centimeters, but it's a thin wand and I can't remember what brand it's from. It's not like a branded thing. I only got it for like £12 or something for Christmas. But it actually is really good compared to the straighteners that was the same brand as this. So I'm not using the straighteners, I'm using this. So all you need really is a brush, a curling wand, right there, and a spray. So the first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split my hair in a half and then do my bottom bit first and then do the top bit. I'm gonna look very, very nice, so please don't judge. So I'm gonna grab about, I don't know how much, but about this much every time, and then what I do is I curl away from my face because I don't like my curls being in the ways, because it then just doesn't look right. I also try very best. I'm gonna apologize if I keep looking up because it's very hard to do without a mirror, and I'm trying not to burn myself because every time I do this I burn myself. I'm gonna try my best not to do it. But look, you're like a sheep. So I'm gonna try not to hold the curling wand in my hair for too long because I don't want to end up like a sheep. I want my curls to be a wee bit looser, but I'll be loosening them up at the end anyway. But I'm gonna stop talking and then just curl my bottom bit and then talk you through the top section that I do. So now that the bottom bit is done, as you can see, this is the reason why I curl out the ways, because it just adds that little bit of volume around your head, because I don't have that much hair and my hair is actually very thin. So for me to get a nice volume in my hair and literally have to fight with it, backcomb the life out of it. The hair bubble's stuck. So much for a hairdresser. Can't even get the hair bubble out. There we go. Now, sorry for that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split it in another half and leave the top bit. Oh, now it's all tangled. Brilliant. And then put this away in the hair bubble again. But try not to tangle it this time, so I don't have to fight with it. Right, my legs are getting dead, so I hope you can still kind of see me. So basically do the same thing to this side, only what I like to do, I really need a mirror for this, I spray it and I just tease it. I don't backcomb it like crazy, but because, like I said, my hair is awful for volume, just kind of do it like this. We'll brush it out anyway, so it'll not look as crazy. And just do the same technique as you did in your hair below. That bit is done. Just take the last bit and work out what way you want your parting to be. In my case, it is all over the place. So I'm just going to leave it whatever way it falls naturally. If it even knows what way it falls naturally. And then just backcomb it again. At the top, rip your hair out first. in. You can leave it like this if you want, but I wouldn't recommend.
In love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it.
Good morning.
Please for tonight.
Well, it's not really morning, it's like
I don't care that my mind's gone.
11:30. But anyway. Right, you gonna sit and watch Mummy? Do random stuff with her hair, making herself look like a sheep. You can join me here. So, because my hair is bushy, obviously, after me brushing it, I need to, also I've got a mirror here so I can kind of confirm what it looks like up close. Grab your hairspray now, and I'm not going to spray too much around here because she's very close to me, but I'm just going to spray. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use the Bed Head Shine Spray, and if you have never used it, I so highly recommend it. It is the best shine spray and it smells so nice. It is amazing. It works brilliant on blonde hair, but if you do have dark hair like me, I do want to say just be careful of how much you put on, because it can make you actually look as if your hair is greasy even though you're trying to make it shiny. So don't spray too close to the hair and don't spray too much if you have dark hair, because it will make it look more in the greasy side. You okay? She's watching too much Peppa Pig and she's starting to do this. And let's see if I can get it. What is it? Go.
Look.
Look, who's that? Bibi? Sophia? She's all chuffed with herself. You cute? Oh, you're so cute. You like Mummy's hair? Yeah? Give me 5 if you like Mummy's hair. Yay! I think she likes it. So yeah, that is it. And I'm going to spray a little bit more, but I'm going to spray it away from her because she's eating here and I don't want to spray too much hairspray beside her. But yeah, that is me finished with this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye! Maybe not.